Hi guys, how are you doing today? I wanted to quickly talk about something. I'm seeing a pattern here, and I said, let me address it. If you would like to listen, it will be good for you, especially for the newbies in the business of trading. Funded trader program. A lot of people are going into it now. A lot of prop firms, a lot of even brokers are going into it now for a lot of reasons, obviously. It's another way for them to generate income, revenue for themselves, right? What do I mean? Now, a lot of traders have fallen by the wayside, especially because they have that idea that they need a big amount of capital to start the business. But the truth now is that you don't need a big amount, right? But that's what they believe. And then what happens? The prop firms, brokers going into the funded trader program, they say, oh, we can give you a bigger amount. You just need to pay for it. As you pay for it, maybe you pay $100 for $10,000 as an example. So we give you the $10,000 and then you trade with it and then there's profit sharing. So the major advantage is that you have access to good funds, capital. But the bad thing now is that a lot of these guys, well, maybe I should just say some, because if you check the recent news reports, you hear some of these prop firms or even brokers, they are giving traders access to demo account, not real account. And some of them have even gone under. So you're hearing funny stories at the end of the day. But then I tell traders today that you can trade and be successful with a small amount. Why not use your own money? Why do you have to pay for that amount? And then at the end of the day, you violate the risk management rules, or you violate one rule or the other. And then you are disconnected. Your money that you used to subscribe for that particular funded trader account has gone. But then the newbies are being, sucked into that. You need a big amount to start with. But the truth now is that it is not even about the capital. It's not about the amount of money that you have. It's the skill. You lack the skill. You are trading $100, $1,000, $10,000, $1 million. You're still going to blow that account. Sorry, I was about to use a funny English. Excuse my apologies. But I digress. But the truth now is that pay attention. You don't need a big amount. It's not about the capital. It's about what? It's about the skill set that you have gotten. Is your skill good enough to turn $100 to 200 within 3 months, 6 months, 1 year? If it is yes, go for the prop firm. Do your due diligence and do your research on the right prop firm to pick. And if your skill set is not there yet, meaning that even if you do this on a demo, you cannot, convert on a demo using proper risk management, then what are you doing putting your money into the prop firm or putting your money into the broker that's offering you the funded trader program? Sorry to the prop firms or to the brokers. I'm here for the traders. I'm here to give my own 2 cents on what people need to do. Because the truth is that a lot of people are just going to do this, fall by the wayside, get frustrated again. Something comes up, another shining object comes up again, and then the prop firms, brokers, or whatever, they pitch it, and then the newbies, the struggling traders, jump on it again, and the same story continues, right? I'm just going to stop here because I'm just seeing the pattern, and I hope that somebody pays attention to this video and sees that, well, I'm not saying the prop firm and the funded trader program is not the way to go, but they see that the skill is number one before you go for the capital. Simple. Thank you guys. Enjoy the rest of the day, and goodbye for now. Cheers.